Welcome to an introductory video of how to change signal units and independent variables in DATS. Let's choose any dataset and incorporate it into our worksheet. Clicking on the dataset icon will enlarge this window. In both axes, you can see the units here. For acceleration, it is meter per second squared. The time unit is in seconds. If we wanted to change the unit in acceleration, we would need to go to the Analyses and select the named element function folder. Then we click the Change Signal Unit. We then have an array of units to choose from, depending on what we need. In this example, we will choose the bar signal unit for our acceleration. The software has automatically connected this to the data and created an icon as a result of our change. If we now view our new graph, you can see that the acceleration signal unit has changed into bar. The next step is to change the time unit on the x-axis. We click on the Change Independent Unit to do this. Again, you can see an array of units to choose from. This time, we will change the time unit into cycles. The software will again automatically do this and create a separate icon and graph because of our change. Let's view our second graph to see the changes we have implemented. We have successfully changed our x-axis to cycles and our y-axis acceleration unit to bar. See you in the next video.